Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ashutosh Singh Bisen. Today I am acting as a doctor and my friend Pawan is acting as a patient, and this is a scene of clinic and we will go through on the disease malaria. So here it will start.
Sir, may I come in?
Yes, please come in. Good morning.
Good morning, doctor.
Please be sit and keep a distance.
Okay, doctor.
Yes, please introduce yourself.
Doctor, my name is Pawan Best. I live in Haldwani and I am 20 years old.
Okay, okay. Are you having the appointment?
Yes, doctor, I talked to the recipient and she gave me about your appointment. That's why I came to you.
Okay. So, please tell about your problems, like what all symptoms you are having.
Okay. Doctor, actually, I am a bit busy in my daily schedule and job. So from last week, I observed that I am having a bit fever and chills is going on, and my abdominal part is paining so much. And doctor, I would like to tell that since I am a young boy, and then also my joints and muscles are paining too much.
Okay. Can you tell me where have you traveled recently?
Mm,
Is the place dirty or mosquito one?
Doctor, last week I visited to a marriage that was a venue about 200 kilometers from my city. I think so. The garden or the venue where it was conducted, outside that there was a bit garbage area, and I think so that it was a bit dirty place there where I visited.
Okay. Did you taken any preventive drugs?
Doctor, about 3 to 4 days ago, I talked to a cardiologist. He suggested me to take normal fever medicines like paracetamol. And doctor, he gave me a report in which he told that my heartbeat rate is also very fast.
Add more about your problems, like are you having diarrhea?
No, doctor, I don't think so that I am having diarrhea or something else. Actually, the main problem I told you that I am having a bit high fever and my abdominal shoulder and abdominal part is paining so much, and my muscles and joints are paining. I think so they are having cramp.
Okay. Not only cramp, that can be many things. By hearing all your things, I can conclude that you are having the malaria symptoms, but still I have to be confirm your disease. For this, I am writing some test. Please have it, and after 2 days you have to become okay. And in additional, I am to writing the medicines, but because we are not going on confirmed stage, so I am writing only two medicines. Okay. First medicine is chloroquine, where you have to be chloroquine 2 times in a day, and second one is ACT. You can see here the ACT medicine you have to be take once in a day before eating. Okay.
Okay, doctor, I got your point.
are you are you okay with taking medicine in tablet forms, or you will take in the form of liquid?
Doctor, I can take in medicine in both tablet or syrup form. It's up to you, which would be better for me and will be suited to me. I will take in that form.
Hmm. Okay, okay.
Doctor,
Anything more?
I would like to
Yes.
ask a question that I get some points from my friends that I would like to clear it from you that is malaria a contagious disease?
No, no, don't worry. Malaria is not spread from person to person like a cold is spreading. You have to be, don't worry about it, because malaria is all about the mosquito bite. So, but only for this, you have to be take rest. You have to be take the pills on time. Okay.
Okay,
Because
doctor.
because malaria is a serious and sometimes fatal disease also. Okay, so for this you have to be on time when you are taking medicines, and for this I have written some medications, and some only complication you can have, like you will feel vomiting when you will take medicines, but don't worry, if you take medicines properly, you will be cured properly. Okay, I am having some planning, like you have to become after 3 days, where you will tell me about all your problems you have faced after going through 3 days. Like you have to be observe your stool, you have to be observe your fever. Is it coming per day, or is it coming 2 to 3 times in a day? And you have to be observe about your urine, is it yellow color or normal? Okay, and please have your diet properly, like you have to be maintain your diet very easily, very normal diet you have to be take, no spicy food, no oily food.
Okay. Sure, doctor. I will follow your preventions and causes which you give me, and I will take your medicines on timely. Hope that I will get well soon.
Don't worry, you will be get soon. Okay, but for this you have to be take some measures, like you have to be cover your skin. Okay, always whenever you are going in a crowd place or a place which is dirty, you have to be apply insect repellent to your skin. Okay,
Okay.
you have to be apply repellent to clothing also. Sleep under a mosquito net, because this time, the time which is going on, this is the rainy season, the mosquito can be produces more. Okay, you have to be check around your house that any place is having the amount of water stagnant. Okay.
Okay. Okay, doctor. I
Okay,
got your
so
point.
yes, so I have written all the medications, all the tests, please be it, and after 2 days you have to be came. Okay.
Okay, doctor. I will visit you soon, and the whole procedures and medications which you told me, I will follow them, and let's see what will happen.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks a lot, doctor. Have a nice day.